Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing something for my wife. This is a hair dryer, styler, there's a whole bunch of other stuff it can do. It doesn't seem like it says it on here. Blowouts and shine in up to half the time, frizz free. Anyway, it's like a blow dryer, hair straightener, and a whole bunch of different things all in one. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. The link's in the video description if you're interested. Oh, it's actually a little kit in here, wow. And my wife's gonna test it out tonight and see how it works. Oh, that's cool. My wife's gonna like that. It comes with hair ties. And I'm not quite sure what this is. That's cool. Alright, so cool tip, blah blah blah. Does it say anything else on here? Okay. Looks like remove hair from all types of hair remover from hairbrush. And hair clips maybe. So this is it. Sorry guys for the platform, I'm holding the camera doing this so it's not as professional. I apologize for that. But this is it. It's supposed to be a comb straightener or a curler, hair dryer, all in one. So here you got high, middle, low, off. I think you just twist this. Let me set this down here. Yeah, you just twist that to turn it. And that's it. So my wife's gonna test this out and see if it's actually good and if it's worth buying or not. So stay tuned guys.